no, I'm going to be late. Come on, Sarah, move, move, move. No, 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 I'm going to be so late.
Definitely carry both of these myself. I am absolutely not making 2 trips.
Everyone, we're late.
Let's go, let's go!
Airport, here we come. Don't forget the tickets.
I have them, let's roll. Wow, this place is absolutely packed.
Don't worry, Leo, we will find our gate. Oh, we are definitely going to miss this. Here they are.
Perfect.
Yay!
Make sure to take your tablets out.
I got my backpack.
Great job, sweetie.
Let's go through the metal detector. Leo, you need to stay right here in line. We cannot wander off right now, okay?
But I just wanted to see that puppy.
Oops, sorry. It's definitely the belt. Give me just 1 second.
Hurry or we'll miss the flight.
I've got the heavy bags. Let's go.
I'm all ready. Let's run. It says gate B24 is this
We
way.
need to hurry. Boarding closes soon.
Wait for me. My legs are too short.
I can see the gate just across the food court.
I hope they have snacks on the... For flight 1202 to flight 22. We really need to hurry.
Run, run, run!
Come on, follow me.
Gate 22 is just ahead.
Wait for me, I'm coming. There it is, we're almost there.
Gate is right there.
We made it. We are actually going. I'm so relieved to go home. Here is your ticket, Leo. Leo! Where's Leo? Please, you have to help me. I can't find my son.
Security. We have a missing child at gate 14. Come on, buddy. This isn't funny. I should have never let you walk away.
Leo, please answer me. Where are you?
Ladies and gentlemen, Flight 123 is delayed due to mechanical maintenance.
Mom! Dad, look at what I found.
Excuse me. Wait. Please, wait up. Are you the therapy dog team?
If you head right back down there, the security line is much shorter.
Hey, she said it was just past security.
I see the sign. We're almost there, guys.
Go, 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 faster!
There it is. We actually made...
Don't worry, Leo. We'll find your parents. That's a very cool plane you have. I bet it flies very fast. Let's wait here together.
Leo, I was so scared. I'm so glad I found you. Leo, we're here.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, Leo, I missed you so much.
I missed you too, Mommy.
I'm never letting you go again.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to pet the doggy.
I was so worried about you both. Are you okay?
We are totally fine, Mama.
Let's get going.
Oh, Leo. I've got you, buddy.
We're almost there, guys.
I can see the door.
Keep going, Mia.
We're gonna make it.
Welcome aboard. Great to have you.
Wow, that was way too close.
I know. Unbelievable.
Now we can finally relax.
Now we can finally relax. Are you excited for our adventure, Leo?
Yes, just like your airplane.
Look at the beautiful clouds, Leo.
Wow.
We are finally on our way.